Everyone deserves access to clean and safe drinking water. But just because your water looks clear doesn't mean that your health is necessarily in the clear. So much of what gets water into your home goes on just beneath the surface. You or someone you know could still be getting your water from a lead pipe. This is particularly true in low-income communities and communities of color. As you might have heard, lead in water is a heavy subject, and exposure can have lifelong impacts on a child's brain development. The good news? We know what needs to be done. We just need to replace the lead pipes. Replacing lead pipes is a smart infrastructure investment, and there is dedicated federal funding available for your state and your community to make drinking water safer. Contact your water utility and elected officials and ask if your community has lead pipes. If so, ask what the plan is to replace them. It's time to get the lead out.